Hey everyone! In today's video we are making a mini guinea pig plush and coaster. These are part of the things I'm making for Christmas presents this year for friends and family. We're going to be starting with the guinea pig, and the pattern for it is linked in the description, and it was super easy to follow. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button as it really helps out my channel. Also, if you're making presents for your friends and family this year, let me know what you were making in the comments down below. That way, if anyone else is struggling with gift ideas, they can check out the comment section for tons of inspiration. I'll also be releasing new videos every week with what I'm making, so if you guys want to see that, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upload. While making this video, I was watching Hermitcraft Season 11, as they'd all recently released their first episode. Although they are probably on episode 50 by now with how fast they get everything done, even though most of them said they wanted a slow start. Anyway, it got me wondering what type of content you guys consume while you're getting things done. I usually watch other people doing things, whether that be playing a game, or tidying the house, or making something, as it has the same effect on me as those study with me videos. Although, I will admit, sometimes the videos distract me more than they help me. You can really start to see the guinea pig coming together in these next couple of clips. I decided to shorten them down just to make the video flow a little smoother. But let me know in the comments what you think of the guinea pig. I think the person who I'm gifting this to is going to really like it, as they are super into guinea pigs. These long form videos are usually taking me about 2 days to film, as I do have a problem with my wrist where it's causing me quite a bit of pain. I am still waiting for doctors to figure out what is wrong with my wrist, but that doesn't stop me from crocheting in the meantime. We are currently working on the coaster, and this is for my bit of a nerd of a father. Yeah, my dad likes to do amateur radio, and he has like his call sign, he listens to like Morse code and stuff, and he just basically talks to people over the radio. So I thought I would put his call sign in Morse code at the top, and his actual call sign that he would say out loud further down the coaster. So yeah, it's a little bit of a nerdy item. I did have to wet block it because you can see it's quite stiff, but I did that off camera. I don't think I end up showing it in the video, but yeah, I am super happy with how it turned out. The letters are a lot clearer than I actually thought they would be, and overall I'm super happy with it. And that'll be all for today's video, guys. I know it was only a short one, but I didn't want it to drag on for way too long, because I didn't think me just sat there like crocheting stitches would be that interesting. But if you guys want more of that kind of stuff, let me know and I will definitely make longer videos like this. So I will see you all next week. Have a lovely week, everyone. Bye!